municipality of Nabwa traces the historical origin of its name way back during the Spanish colonization. It was said that in 1571, an Angustian player named Fray Alonso Jimenez reached one of the rancherias called Lupa, which was then under Tatupanga from Borneo. The good prayer found persons inside the said rancherias cutting coconuts. He was offered to partake the inside shoot of coconuts, which the natives called buwa. Immediately, the good prayer tagged the place as Nabwa, pronounced with his Spanish accent. From that time onwards, this place became popularly known as Nabwa. The Buwan Festival is a colorful cultural festival held every 2nd of May at Nabwa. In 1975, to reenact a legend of how the town's early settlers survived the big flood that swept their area before the coming of the Spaniards. A big celebration is held in Thanksgivings to recount the Nabwa chieftain do rituals feeding only on young coconuts. The coconut's embryos is said to make the town folks fertile. The highlights of the affairs is the reenactment of the 13th century pagan rites, which is enriched by colorful costumes. Now, the story of the plaza, a park dedicated to the unknown soldiers. It is found at San Isidro Nabwa. People can visit here to chill and have fun at the children's playground. History of the parish of the Holy Cross. The claims of the past, sometimes between 1571 and 1572, were rebels. Alonso Jimenez arrived at one of the 5 rancherias at Lupa, whose chieftain named Panga descended from Borneo, and having raised an altar, these Angustians prayers celebrated the holy sacrifice of the Mass, but he could not remain even as he wished, because the Spaniards who accompanied him were sent only to explore the terrain. From these rancherias, the Spaniards went to other rancherias where they rested for several days. During this time, Fray Jimenez put up a small camarin made of bamboo and nipa and installed therein the Holy Cross, since the place was called Antagudus, which in Spanish means cross.
These are the 3 items. They are the one who carry the image of Inang Angustia from the Mount Asub to our parish Holy Cross. It was inside the image as a light stone. It became bigger and bigger. The image of the 3 items, it was in the ceiling of our parish. This is the image of our parish. It is 40 years old now, and it is one of the oldest churches here in Bicol. It's so magnificent. The altar, on the top, the lightstone image of Inang Angustia. In the center was the Holy Cross. Some visit